Welcome to this series of short tutorials about TensorFlow.js. We will see what data processing can be done using the JavaScript API of TensorFlow. We will focus during this tutorial on the features. The features are the input of the network. Common data processing for features are normalization and standardization. Why is the data normalized or standardized? To have the data in the same order of magnitude for faster convergence and training. Both processing almost solve the same problem. Normalization will shift the initial data to be in a range of 0, 1, and standardization will do it to a range of -1, 1. Let's have a look at the accept of the iris dataset. We will focus on the first 4 columns. We will try to normalize and standardize these features. Let's consider the normalization formula. We take the feature column to which we subtract the minimum of that column, and we divide the whole over the maximum of the column to which the minimum was subtracted. Applying it to the features of the dataset, we have the following. Now let's consider the standardization formula. We take the feature column to which we subtract the average of the column, and we divide the whole over the standard deviation of the same column. Now we have this result for the accept of the iris dataset. Now let's see in practice what it is in TensorFlow.js code. Both formulas are simple to write. The only thing is to remember to use the first axis so as to have the mean, the standard deviation, the minimum, and the maximum computed as vectors instead of scalars. So we have the features. So here, our accept of the iris dataset. For the normalization, we can use the max and min operators. Data max and data min are one-dimension tensor of the size of the number of columns of the argument data. For the standardization, we can use the tf.moment operator. Now let's run this code and see what the output will have. So since I'm using TypeScript, I will use TS node instead of using node directly. So here we can see that the output here is similar to what we have already seen in the slides. So that's it. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more coming.